So let's go on a little walk and have a look at some of the berries that our native shrubs are putting out at the moment. Yeah, good girl. Now this is Viburnum opulus. Not only lovely autumn colour, but these luscious red shiny berries as well. It really is absolutely lovely. Now this is spindle, Euonymus europaeus, and it has these gorgeous little four-quartered pink berries that eventually kind of split open with all the orange inside parts dangling down. It's really pretty. The sloes growing on the blackthorn bush, Prunus spinosa, so called because of its really sharp spines. So this is hawthorn, Crateagus monogyna, lovely red berries, a few spines, but not as bad as the blackthorn. Now this is our native ivy, Hedera helix, and this is a mature specimen that's able to have flower and have these gorgeous bunches of berries. Over the winter, these turn a lovely sort of matte black, and the pigeons just adore feasting on them. And not forgetting the best berries of all on our native holly, Ilex aquifolium. Jay, good girl. Where's good girl?